Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. This morning, I want to talk about COTP and the withdrawal issue. So, I want to use this opportunity to try if I can be able to withdraw this morning. Today is 19th. So, I want to try, according to their promise, according to COTP promise, they promised that they are going to resolve the issue yesterday, being Wednesday. But today now is Thursday and the problem is still within the platform. They have not resolved the issue yet. So I want to try out now. I'm just waking up now. So I want to try to see if I will get the code. So let's try because I'm having about 2,652 dollars here. So I want to try if I can be able to get the code to withdraw my money. So let's go to the withdrawal tab. Yes, here we are. So I click on withdraw to see if I can be able to get the code. So I put the amount that I want to withdraw. Let me see, let me try to withdraw all 2,652. Then they have taken their percentage. So what I will actually get is 2,644. So let me enter my transaction password. Yes. So I've entered my transaction password. Then the next thing is face recognition. So I have to do face recognition. I've done that. So the next thing is to request for the code. I will send verification code to see if I will receive the code because that is the most important thing. The code is what everybody is. The countdown has begun. It's now 80%, and I've not gotten the code. 80%, I've not gotten the code. 66%, the code is yet to arrive. We are still waiting to see if we can get the code. %43%. The countdown is 39% now, no code. It's like the issue has not been fixed yet. So we are hoping to see if we will receive the code to withdraw our money. Or the code is not coming. But according to people, COTP said that some countries are receiving the code. But for now, I'm not giving any assurance of any country that, see, the countdown has expired and I did not receive any code. Let's wait and see. Let's watch and pray and see if the problem will be solved before for now, because one video I watched, they said that by Friday everything will be okay. So let's wait and see by Friday, and don't fail to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe so that we'll be updating you. Thank you and God bless you.